Just over 2 weeks ago, on January 23, 2021, 4 Egyptian citizens acting on behalf of the Egypt's Hope Party filed a complaint with Egypt's Public Prosecution Office. The complaint alleges that President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi has committed treason by compromising the territorial integrity of Egypt and squandering Egypt's resources. Specifically, the complaint alleges that President el-Sisi has violated Article 151 of the Egyptian Constitution. This article requires that any treaties be approved by the Egyptian people through a referendum prior to their ratification, and in all cases prohibits treaties that cede state territory. President el-Sisi has violated this article by, without referendum and against the national interest, first, entering into an agreement regarding Ethiopia's Renaissance Dam that depletes Egypt's historical water rights in the Nile. Second, ceding the islands of Tiran and Sanafir to Saudi Arabia. Third, ceding territorial waters to Greece, Cyprus, and Israel, and consequently their rich underwater oil reserves. And fourth, dissolving Egypt's National Iron and Steel Company. We received a digital confirmation of our filing, and the complaint was assigned a case number. The Prosecutor General's office was required to respond to the complaint within 15 days. That time has elapsed, and we have received no response of any kind from the Prosecutor General. Earlier today, the Egypt's Hope Party sent the Prosecutor General a letter. That letter notified the Prosecutor General that his office has failed to act on our complaint within the required timeframe, and explained that the Egypt's Hope Party will now be pursuing its claims in international courts. The Egypt's Hope Party had hoped that the Prosecutor General would fulfill the duties of his office and uphold the Constitution by acting independently on behalf of the Egyptian people. Unfortunately, he and the Public Prosecution Office have failed to do so. For this reason, the Egypt's Hope Party is now seeking justice through the African Commission on Human and People's Rights and the African Court on Human and People's Rights. Specifically, the Egypt's Hope Party will pursue its claims regarding the squandering of the Nile's waters through the Renaissance Dam Agreement and the dissolution of Egypt's National Iron and Steel Company. This is the second phase of the Egypt's Hope Party's legal strategy to hold President el-Sisi accountable for his actions. We still exhort the Prosecutor General to honor the Constitution over cronyism by standing with the Egyptian people and the law against the misdeeds of the President. But our message for the Prosecutor General is that if he will not pursue justice for the Egyptian people, then Egyptians will pursue justice internationally. Our message for the Egyptian people is to not give up hope of living in an Egypt where you choose your leaders and your leaders are accountable to you. In other words, don't give up on having a true democracy. Stay united and continue to peacefully work towards the Egypt you dreamt of in 2011. The Egypt's Hope Party will continue to work for you to rid Egypt of el-Sisi's dictatorial regime and build a new Egyptian civil society that respects all.